we use these metaphor-like constructions, these very intricate interweavings of truth and falsehood and presumed recognition, mutual recognition of which is which at each stage of the game. We use these often, very frequently. As I said prior, when we're talking about proscriptives, when we're talking about morals, when we're talking about ethics, we are often necessarily using that kind of construction, even when it's not necessarily immediately apparent. When we're delving into epistemology, we're using very similar constructions much of the time. And going all the way back to, and now we're bringing the God piece back in, this proposition of a singular deity, that even this claim of singularity needs to be regarded as a similar kind of construct, that it is a linguistic analog to something that it is not, and that we need to recognize that it is not in order for us to get the intended message, in order for us to, more than the intended message, explore the intended and potentials for meaning. When I say that the statement God exists is a metaphor, I'm not denigrating that existential claim. I'm saying rather that we need to understand the kind of propositional syntax and the kind of interweaving between kinds of claims that are kind of nestled inside that one claim. And by virtue of the density of its contents, we have to be careful when we're unpacking it. That's it for this week. I'm going to be getting the synopsis up tomorrow, and that will be the baseline for next week's discussions.